This is my thermostat, and I'm setting it to 73 degrees. Now, my furnace or heat pump was having a problem with the blower motor. The blower motor was buzzing. Yeah, it's buzzing. Okay, now it's stopped. The start capacitor is connected in series with the start winding and a switch. The current in the start winding creates a magnetic field that causes the rotor to start rotating. You can remove the panels from your furnace as well. Look for the fan blower in your furnace and find the capacitor. Now go turn off the power switch on the side of your furnace, or go find the breaker and turn it off. Let's remove this capacitor and make sure not to touch the terminals. There's energy in the capacitor. You'll want to come back and short out the capacitors with the screwdriver. This capacitor is using alternating current. It does not matter where the two wires go. Now I'm testing the capacitor with my multimeter. Make sure you set it to measure the capacitors in microfarads. I've got 15 microfarad capacitor, and this one's measuring 23 microfarads on the multimeter. Yeah, this one's failing. Make sure you get the part number correct. You can order this from Amazon. I have a link in the description below the video. Or you can go to Grainger and use counter service. Grainger is 5 miles from my house. I literally paid $7 for this capacitor from Grainger. Now I'm measuring this capacitor and it actually reads 14.6 microfarads. This one's good to go, plus or minus 6%. Reattaching this capacitor to the blower motor. Carefully shift it in place, match the hole, and secure the screw. Now, reattach the wires to the capacitor. It's using alternating current. It doesn't matter where the two wires go. Okay, let's go back and turn on the breaker. Now we're going to test the blower. And it's working. Make sure you don't put the panels up with the blower running. It will suck the insulation off the back of the panel. Now I'm going to speed this up and apply all the screws to all the panels. Smash that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you.